I'm doing like big things. Do we have avocado and moisturizers? I wanted this. Once you open it, you see the beautiful Selena. How cute is this? This is so sweet. Look at the perfume. Like, it's such a good thing to gift. My house has not even been livable. There's so much pasara. Yahan pura bags, PR packages, bags, PR packages, bags. And I was supposed to shoot on my main camera, but my main camera has no battery, and I just wanted to wrap up this video so I can get to unboxing all my PR packages. तो दिखाया ही नहीं. यहाँ और boxes. So basically, I'm living in the middle of all the boxes, and right now I just got done with one shoot, and I thought that it's the best time to finish the PR unboxing. Here I am, we're doing a PR unboxing. My point is, in the end, it's about you seeing the content and what all I got. So let's just give up on the aesthetics for one particular video, please. But before I start the video, hi, I'm Rivleen. I create content around makeup, fashion, lifestyle. We're all filter free. No filter with PKB is my hashtag. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you do not miss a video every single time I upload it. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I've honestly been exhausted. I've overworked and I just feel I need a break. Like, I genuinely physically need a break. I feel my body is just not functioning. I feel I'm just creating content, and now I have to create double content because there's content on Praveen and Rahul as well. Oh yes, I started another page with my fiance. I'm engaged. Literally, I think for a while I'm gonna be like, I'm engaged. But it's like a cute feeling. So yeah, I'm engaged, and we started another page. So because I wanted you to see everything in one place, I thought it's better agar wo page ho, because I was also getting a lot of people's comments that it's better if you do it like Mridula and Aditya. So actually they gave me a little bit of inspiration because it's better segregated, and it's difficult. I love couple pages. Like, I consume a lot of couple page contents, but then I used to think that, okay, what if I go on Mridul's page and see everything, and everything is just beauty, and then the couple videos are just lost in the middle. Where will I find them? And then I was like, genius idea, we should make a couple page. So because Rahul is not essentially a content creator, he's just like the most funniest, the most entertaining person like you will meet in person. And that's why I just keep laughing. And maybe people have not seen this side of me because मैं इतना normally shoot करती हूँ, तो it's more like about reviews and stuff, but like with him the vibe is very different. So if you want to see that unfiltered version and you want to enjoy that vibe, then you need to follow that page. I'm going to link the Instagram and the YouTube channel so you can go and follow. And now let's resume. I was on the panel for Elle India, which is such a cool thing. I'm telling you, the things that I'm doing recently, I cannot imagine myself कि मैं ऐसा ये सब कर रही हूँ. They've given me water bottle, which is कांच की bottle में. How cute. Then they've given me Minimalist का oat extract gentle cleanser. I'm fumbling in how. Then the liquid fluid SPF 50, and they've also given the vitamin C face serum, which is 10%. It's been a while since I've tried Minimalist के products, so maybe I should like try them out and see how it's working on my skin, because genuinely it's been some time. They've also given their magazine. Hi Veerdas. And that is Zendaya. Such a cool campaign. Like, I love her. Your Skin, Your Story. I think that's the brand's name. I'm such an impatient unboxing person. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a BioLift Growth Factor Serum. Again, it's a skincare brand. They also have their Lumi Sheet Sunscreen SPF 50+++. It's Elle in collaboration with It's a Long Story. Oh, It's a Long Story is the brand's name. How cute. How unique, actually. And then they also have their Hydro Bloom Moisturizer, which has Cica avocado. Do we have avocado in moisturizers? Licorice, niacinamide, and hyaluronic. That's a lot of ingredient. I feel I always get so intimidated. Yeah, I think intimidated because I've just struggled myself with so much skincare confusion, what to apply, what to leave, what to not use, when to switch. That now when I see so many things, I just get extremely, I'm like, how will people figure what they want to use? Again, I love trying products. That's literally my job, so I enjoy it. Okay, then we have a very cute PR package from Aminu. How cute is this? Okay, so they gave me their AHA face wash. I really like this. And they also sent me their melting balm cleanser. Thank you, Aminu. I love the bag. It's so cute. Best wishes. But yeah, thank you so much. It's such a cute PR package. I feel when you see cute PR packages, you automatically feel like posting because it kind of puts you in such a good mood that a brand has thought so much and then they want you to post a story. So I really like it. So we have this huge PR package from Nivea. They launched like a huge range. And then we have a massive She Glam X Tira PR box where they've sent so many of their products. And I'm going to do a full blown sit down dedicated video. Mars has genuinely been so sweet because they have sent me all of their launches. Not one, not two, everything that they have. They've sent their Love Track collection. They've sent their liquid blushes. They've sent their lip and cheek tints. They've sent their lip oils. They've sent so many things. Then we have this huge box from Skin 104. I love their products. I've started using them already. Let's see how it actually works on my skin because uska ek serum which is their brightening ampule is going viral everywhere. That is why I wanted to give it a try to see on my face and I did not break out. It genuinely is very hydrating. Recently, I went for a L'Oreal Paris's campaign and oh my god, you're not ready for the kind of launches they have. Because this year L'Oreal Paris is going to kill it, guys. Like they have such huge plans. I wanted this. I don't know आपको पता है कि नहीं, but one size का जो face setting mist है उसको इसने it's not like they've replicated it, but it literally does the job and that is so expensive and this is so affordable. I think this is $7.99 and the moment it went live, it went out of stock. It's so good. So if you need like a very, very, very like lock in your makeup kind of a setting spray, you will enjoy this. We tried a product and then we put this on and it was just not moving and all of us were shocked like what? They gave me their Panorama mascara. My favorite Infallible Match Resistance liquid lipsticks. I love these so much. And also their new launch, which is the Bullet lipstick in the shade Worth It and Worth It Medium. I love L'Oreal Paris. Elle also gave me a huge box of streaks because I did a video for them for streaks. And like I'm telling you, I'm doing like big things and I am khud se also like processing how is all of this happening. They've given a candle. I love this. They've given a mug. I love the mug. It's such a cool mug. I love texture. Recently, I think I love fluted designs in general. Happy Women's Day. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna put like mine and Rahul's picture here or maybe like my group's picture. It'll be so nice. I love it. And it has like a stand so I can hold it aisa. So डालने के बाद में मुझे लग रहा है how will I remove it? Then we have no preservatives, no palm oil, no trans fat, high protein peanut butter cookies. Suyash is coming right now, so he will love this because he loves anything and everything that's healthy. But he has such a big sweet tooth. Then we have some amazing products from Streaks Professional. This is their Canvo Line conditioner. Then we have their Canvo Line shampoo. And ये serum तो I think हमने सबने बचपन से देखा है. Like I've seen this in all chemists. All like salons, everyone used to use this and they still do. Like it's a good product. Another crazy ass hamper that came in was from Selena Gomez's brand Rare Beauty. It's Find Comfort and Awaken Confidence, and once you open it you see the beautiful Selena and then you open it more. Oh my god. Oh, so it's like a new addition to the Find Comfort body collection. So I already have the original one and this is their Awaken Confidence range. Jiske andar there is more juicy peach and fresh flower blossom. Now that one was a little different. It was very fresh but it had a different fragrance. Let's see if I like this one because I'm very picky about like fragrances. The same bottle and the same body lotion. I love that it's like a huge tub. Ah, it's so nice. Oh my god. It's like you're eating peach. It's peach, like the sweetest, most juiciest peach with like a hint of like a flowery. It's so good. Usually I'm not a fan of like such fragrances. I love this. It always makes me very emotional when I see these huge brands and PR packages because I'm like, what did I do to deserve you? Like this is so sweet. This is the second PR package that we got from Rare Beauty. Let me open this up. This is how you open it. It's their True to Myself Rare Beauty. It's their compacts, introducing a weightless tinted powder that does it all, blurs, smooths and reduces shine and sets makeup with a natural finish. And if I pull this, oh, it's such a cute pouch. I love the detailing. This is how it looks like. You shut it like this and when you open, you are Rare. And then this is how it looks like. I'm just going to take this. Wow, can you see that? See this and see this. So fresh and so matte, and it got absorbed so easily. And this is exactly my shade, like exactly my shade. This is Porcelain. Yeah, that's the shade's name, Porcelain. It's exactly my shade. It's so good. After 2 whole years, I've been gifted a Dyson again with this. It's the new Dyson Airwrap ID, and just look at the colors. It's stunning. I went for this launch, which is Tipsy Beauty's new brand, which is Spritz by Tipsy, and it basically has Amber AM, Amber PM. So it's basically one perfume that has 2 fragrances, which was like a unique concept. Can you see this? So iske upar is a different fragrance. Oh, yummy. This is such a musky yet vanilla and feminine perfume. Okay, this is AM, and this I think is like a more intense version. No, it's a different fragrance. AM has saffron jasmine. PM has caramel saffron. I love AM, both actually. AM does have a little bit of toffee based notes, which I love. PM is more musky, but oh my god, it's so yummy. And just look at the perfume, like it's such a good thing to gift someone. I love it. The next PR hamper I got is from Verified, and this is the last PR hamper that I'm going to open for today because I still have quite a lot and I think I should make a part 2 because this is too long. So she's sent 2 perfumes. One is Evolution and one is Ego. One for me, one for Rahul. And she's also sent a note. Dear Prableen and Rahul, many congrats on your upcoming nuptials. Wishing you both the very best, Anam. How sweet. Thank you so much. This means so much. I think this is Rahul's first ever PR package, so it's always going to be so special to him and he's always going to remember this. So thank you. And that is all for today's PR unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys super soon.